My name is Laksh Jain and I am thrilled to guide you for the today's topic, that is designing for natural light. First we will see the topics which we have covered in our previous lecture, that are impact of lighting on energy consumption, lighting efficiency metrics, benefit of energy efficiency lighting, overview of lighting technology, comparison of incandescent, fluorescent and LED. Topics which will be covered in this lecture are natural lighting and its importance, strategies for maximizing natural light, daylighting technologies and techniques and design consideration, integration of natural light with artificial lighting system. So, let us begin. First we will see what is natural light. Natural light is an essential element in the design of any building. It provides a sense of well-being, improve productivity and reduce energy consumption. However, designing for natural light can be a complex task. There are many factors to consider, such as the orientation of the building, the size and the placement of windows and the use of shading devices. Now, let us see the various benefits of natural light. First is improved health and well-being. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress and boost sleep quality. Second, increase productivity. Studies have shown that people are more productive in space with natural light. Third, reduce energy consumption. By utilizing natural light, buildings can reduce their reliance on artificial lighting, leading to lower energy bill. Fourth point is enhance aesthetics. Natural light can create a warm and inviting atmosphere in any space. These were the benefits of natural light. Now we will see the importance of natural light. Why natural lights are important to us. Natural light is more than just an illumination. It is a vital component of human health, well-being and productivity. Following are the importance of natural light. First one is, as we have studied in the benefit of natural light, the importance of natural light is also health benefits. So, there are various health benefits of natural light to human bodies. Our body synthesizes vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, essential for bone health, immune function and mood regulation. Natural light help regulate our internal body clock, influencing sleep pattern, energy levels and overall well-being. It also enhances our mood. Exposure to natural light can reduce symptoms of depression and seasonal affective disorder. Natural light improves our focus and productivity. Various studies have shown that people are more alert, focused and productive in spaces with ample natural light. There are also many environmental benefits of natural light, such as energy efficiency and better indoor quality. Maximizing natural light reduces the reliance on artificial lighting, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced carbon footprint. Also, natural light can inhibit the growth of mold and bacteria, which will improve the indoor air qualities. Now, let us see some psychological benefit of natural light. First one is connection to nature. Natural light create a sense of connection to the outdoors, promoting relaxation and stress reduction. Second, as we have studied earlier, it enhances mood. Bright natural light can uplift mood and create a positive atmosphere. Third point is improved sense of space. Natural light can make space feel larger and more open. These were the some psychological benefit of natural light. Now we will see the importance of natural light in design and aesthetics. Natural light can dramatically enhance the architectural appeal of a building. It provides a dynamic and ever-changing backdrop for interior design spaces. So, natural light has a great impact in architecture, also in interior design. Now, we will go in our next topic, that is strategies for maximizing natural light. Natural light is essential for human well-being. It impacts mood, health and productivity. It helps regulate our rhythm, boost vitamin D and create a more pleasant living and working environment. Maximizing natural light in a space can improve energy efficiency, it can enhance our mood and create a more inviting atmosphere. Now we will see the various strategies for maximizing natural light in our next few slides. First is orientation and layout, building orientation. Position the building to maximize exposure to sunlight, typically south facing in northern hemisphere. Second point is room layout. Place frequently used rooms such as living areas and office on the south side to capture maximum sunlight. Now window placement and design for maximizing natural light. We should use large windows which are strategically placed windows to allow more light to enter our room or our residences. Next, install high and narrow window near the ceiling to bring in light without compromising our privacy. We can also add skylight or roof window to rooms where traditional windows are not feasible. We should place window above door to allow light to pass through them between the various rooms. Now open floor plan. We should use open floor plan to allow light to travel more frequently through spaces. We should install interior windows or glass partition to share light between rooms. Now we will see some window treatment and glazing to maximize natural light. First are some glazing options. We can use low emissive, that is low E glass, to reduce heat gain and loss while maximizing heat transmission. We can also use double or triple glazing, which will enhance insulation and can also help to prevent condensation and the noise. Now let us see some window treatment. There are various type of window treatment which can be done to maximize natural light. First is sheer curtain. Use light sheer curtain to diffuse light while maintaining privacy. Second is adjustable blinds. Install adjustable blind or shade that can be tilted to control light levels. Reflective films. Apply reflective window films to direct light deeper into the room and reduce glare. These were the some window treatment. Now we will move on to reflective surface and light colors. We should paint our wall and ceiling in light color to reflect more light. Second is, we should use semi-glossy or satin finish on wall and ceiling to enhance light reflection. Now moving on to reflective surfaces, we should strategically place mirror to bounce light around the room, and also we should choose the furniture with glass or metal that reflect the light. Now let us see some landscape and exterior element which help us in maximizing natural light. First is tree placement. Plant deciduous tree that provide shade in summer and allow sunlight in winter. Second is ground cover. Use light color or reflective material for patios and walkway to reduce glare and increase light. Second point under landscape and exterior element is exterior shading device. Installing of awning or overhangs. Install awnings or overhang to control the amount of light entering through windows, especially on south and west facing windows. Pergolas. Use pergolas with climbing plant to provide shade and filter light. Now we will see technological enhancement to maximize natural light. First is daylight harvesting system. Under this, we should use motorized blind and shade that adjust based on the time of day and sunlight intensely. Implement smart lighting system that adjusts artificial light based on the amount of natural light available. Second point under technological enhancement is light tube and solar tube. Light tubes. We should install tubular daylighting devices to direct sunlight into interior spaces without windows. We should use solar tubes to capture and diffuse sunlight into darker area of our house. Now maintenance and upkeep. We will see how maintenance and maintaining our environment, our room, our house helps us in maximizing natural light. First point is clean window properly. Ensure windows are kept clean to maximize the amount of light that can pass through it. If windows are clean, then a good amount of light can pass through window and can enter our rooms. Second point is trim vegetation. We should regularly trim trees and shrubs around window to prevent them from blocking sunlight. Sunlight should enter our room directly. There should not be any obstruction between them, such as plants. We should daily or in a regular basis maintain our trees or the plants which are present near our windows or our houses, so that sunlight can directly enter our rooms. Now we will move on to our next topic, and we will now see daylighting techniques and design consideration. First we will see what is daylighting. Daylighting is the practice of designing building to maximize the use of natural light. This can be done through a variety of techniques, including using a large window to allow more natural light into a space, orienting building to take advantage of the sun's path, using light shelves and other reflective surfaces to distribute natural light more evenly, and also by installing blinds and shades that can be adjusted to control the amount of light entering a space. Now we will see some benefits of daylighting. There are many benefits of using daylighting in our building. We will see some of them, such as some benefits of daylighting are improved energy efficiency. Daylighting improves our energy efficiency of our house. It reduces reliance on artificial lighting. It improves occupant health and well-being, as we have seen earlier, as we have studied or discussed before in this PPT. Daylighting keeps our health good. It provides us vitamin D, which help in our well-being. Next point is increased productivity. Next is enhanced visual comfort, and last one is it reduces glare. Daylighting technique maximize natural light using strategic window placement, skylight, light shelves and reflective surfaces. Key design consideration includes building orientation to optimize sunlight exposure, using glazing option like low emissive glasses to control heat, and incorporating shading devices to reduce glare. Open floor plan and light color interior enhances light distribution while ensuring energy efficiency and thermal comfort. Balancing these elements create a bright, sustainable and comfortable indoor environment. Now we will see daylighting techniques. There are number of different techniques that can be used to maximize the use of natural light in building. Some of the most common techniques are window placement and its size. The size, shape and placement of window can have a significant impact on the amount of natural light that enter a space. Next point is light shelves. Light shelves are horizontal surface that reflect sunlight deep into a space. Next is atriums. Atriums are large open space that are often used to bring natural light into the center of a building. Next point is light tubes. Light tubes are cylindrical shafts that capture and transmit daylight from a roof to an interior space. Next point is blind and shades. Blind and shades can be used to control the amount of light that enters a space. Next point and the last one is glazing. The amount of glazing used on windows can affect the amount of natural light that enters a space. Now we will see some design consideration. Design consideration for daylighting. When designing a building for optimal daylighting, several key factors must be considered to ensure the effective utilization of natural light. So, first point under this is climate. The amount and intensity of sunlight varies across different climate. In region with abundant sunlight, focus on controlling glare and heat gain while maximizing daylight penetration. In areas with less sunlight, maximize light capture become crucial. Now, temperature extremes. Consider the impact of extreme temperature on day lighting strategies. In hot climate, prioritize shading and ventilation to prevent overheating. In cool climates, maximize solar heat gain during winter while minimizing heat loss. Next point under design consideration is building orientation. Aligning the building orientation with the sun path is essential. South facing facade typically receive maximum sunlight, making them ideal for daylight. However, the optimal orientation can vary depending on the climate. Window placement. Position of window to capture direct sunlight in winter while avoiding excessive heat gain in summer. Consider using overhang or shading device to control sunlight. Now, next point under design consideration is building type. The type of building and its occupant need influence day lighting requirement. For example, office require constant daylight level for visual comfort, while residential building may have more flexibility. Next is function. Different building functions have varying daylighting need. Spaces requiring high level of daylight such as classroom or art studio should prioritize windows placement and its size. Now, next point under design consideration is occupant need. Various need of occupant for a day lighting. First is visual comfort. Day lighting level should be sufficient for task without causing glare or excessive contrast. Consider using day lighting stimulation to access visual comfort. Health and well-being. Adequate daylight exposure is linked to improved mood, productivity and overall health. Optimize daylight distribution to create pleasant and healthy indoor environment. Next point is provide occupant with control over day lighting through blinds, shades or other shading devices to accommodate individual preference and changing condition. Now, we will go in our next topic, that is integration of natural light with artificial lighting system. For this, first we will study and first we will see what is natural light and what is artificial light. We have discussed natural light earlier. So, what is natural light? Harnessing sunlight through windows, skylight and light tube. Its key characteristics include variability and potential for glare and heat gain. Now, we will see artificial light. Electrically produced light including incandescent, fluorescent, LED and other, often controllably but consumes energy, can impact indoor environment. Now, we will see some challenges of relying solely on natural light. While natural light offers numerous benefits, exclusive reliance on it presents certain challenges. So, first challenge is variability of daylight. Under this, daylight hours fluctuate significantly throughout the year, affecting indoor lighting levels. Cloudy, rainy or foggy day can drastically reduce natural light availability. Light levels vary throughout the day, impacting visual comfort and productivity. Next point is insufficient light level. In some climate or building orientation, natural light may be insufficient to adequate illuminated interior spaces. Certain activity require higher light level than naturally provided. During winter month, daylight hours are shorter, leading to dark interiors for extended period. Next, we will see the benefit of integration of natural light with artificial lighting system. First benefit is energy efficiency. Reduce reliance on artificial lighting, leading to lower energy consumption. Next point is improved indoor environment. Natural light positively impact mood, productivity and health, and hence it improves our indoor environment. Visual comfort. Balanced lighting level prevent eye strain and improve task performance. And last point is cost saving, lower energy bill and reduce maintenance. That is why it save our cost. Now we will see some artificial lighting systems. First one is incandescent lighting. What is incandescent lighting? It is a tungsten filament. It is based on a principle in which a tungsten filament is heated to incandescence by an electrical current emitting visible light. Some of its characteristics are: it produces a warm yellowish light with a continuous spectrum. It has lower efficiency, converting most energy into heat rather than light. It has short lifespan due to filament evaporation. It is dimmable and immediate light output. Next is fluorescent lighting. It is based on a principle that an electrical current passes through a gas filled tube, creating ultraviolet radiation. This radiation strikes a phosphorus coating, producing visible light. Some of its characteristics are: it is more energy efficient than incandescent bulb. The lifespans are longer. It is available in various color that are warm white, cool white, daylight, etc. Can flicker at high frequency, causing eye strain in some individual. It contains mercury, which can be hazardous if the bulb break. It takes time to reach its full brightness. Now, most common artificial lighting, that is LED. I am sure every one of you have heard and learned about LED. What is LED? How does it look? And where we use LED. So, we will see some of its characteristics. It is extremely energy efficient, consuming significantly less power than incandescent and fluorescent bulb. It has long lifespan, typically lasts 25 to 50 times longer than other artificial lightings. It is more durable and resistant to shock and vibration. Available in wide range of color and color temperature. Dimmable options are available in it. Directional light output, allowing it for better control of light distribution. Now, in our next topic, we will see the color temperature and its impact on the ambience lighting. First, we will understand the color temperature. Color temperature is a measure of warmth or the coolness of a light source, measured in Kelvin. A warm light has a lower color temperature and appear yellowish or reddish, whereas cool light has higher color temperature and appear bluish or whitish. So, if a light is appearing yellowish or reddish, then it is a warm light, and if a light is appearing in bluish or white color, then it is a cool light. Now, we will see the impact of ambience. Warm light create a cozy, intimate and relaxing atmosphere. It is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms and dining areas, whereas cool light promote alertness, focus and productivity. It is suitable for kitchen, offices and study area. Intermediate color temperature, which generally varies from 3500 to 4100 Kelvin, offers a balance between warmth and coolness, suitable for versatile spaces. Now, we will see the integration strategies. What are the various strategies for integration of natural light with artificial lighting? First is daylight harvesting. In this, maximize window size and orientation to gather sunlight. Distributing daylight using light shell, reflective surfaces and light tubes to spread light deeper into spaces. Controlling daylight, implementing blind, shades or dynamic glazing to regulate light level. Second is lighting control. Sensors, employing light sensor to detect daylight level and adjust artificial lighting accordingly. Dimming system, implementing dimmers to gradually reduce artificial light as daylight increases. Occupancy sensor, turning off light in unoccupied spaces to conserve energy. Next is layered lighting. Layered lighting, first point is ambient lighting. Provide general illumination through overhead fixtures. Next is task lighting. It delivers focused light for specific activity. Example, desk lamp or under cabinet light. Third is accent lighting. It create a visual interest and it highlight any architectural features. Fourth is day lighting stimulator. using computer software to analyze daylight distribution and identify potential issues, making informed decision about window placement, shading and artificial lighting system. Now we will see summary of this lecture, what we have learned in this lecture. So we have learned about maximizing natural lighting, optimizing window placement, how to choose light color material, how to utilize window treatment wisely, incorporate light directly element, creating open floor plans, various daylight techniques such as daylight factor, solar heat gain, dynamic gazing and daylight sunlight. We have also learned about the integration of natural and artificial lighting. Integration, it can be done through layered lighting and light censored. Also we can use dimmable fixtures, color temperature matching and energy efficiency. Now we will see the topics which we will cover in our next lecture, that are number 1, introduction to renewable energy, types of renewable energy, potential for renewable energy in buildings, building energy consumption, integration of renewable energy in buildings, environmental and economical benefits. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much. Have a good day.